Alright folks, so here it is. This is 26 inches long and a little over 14 inches deep, about 15 inches actually, and it's 30-ish inches tall. This is going to be used for just general purpose, like cooking and all that jazz. I wanted enough room between here and the ceiling. I built this really cheap. I think it was less than $10 to build this. I have L brackets that I'm going to use for the top here when I cut a piece of plywood out and the center section here, and then I have L brackets where I'm going to screw it right into the floor. So those L brackets, the screws are only 3/4 of an inch, but the other brackets, the screws that I used here, are a number 6, but they're they're a number 6, but they're 1 3/4 inches long. So looks good. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to throw some wood glue on it just to reinforce it. And again, I do have some L brackets, so I'm going to take it back inside and finish. But as you can see, it fits pretty good. This is all the way back right now, so I want to still use this if people sit here. And I'll probably move it this way just a little bit more, in case if somebody sits here, they won't, whack that or whatever. And the shelves are going to be open because I want to reach in and grab stuff from the bottom and on the top. But I will have like a bungee cord that goes around the bottom or the top to hold things in place. So yeah, stay tuned. I might add another piece of wood in the center, I don't know, instead of a bungee cord or something like that to hold my little... I got a couple of totes that I might put in here. I just kind of went ahead and built it, but as you can see, it fits fairly perfect in there without the headrest being in the way. And I'd like to have something that pops up that I could use on this side as like a desk or whatever. That'd be kind of cool, or extend it somehow. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.